A buyer agency agreement is an agreement between a real estate broker and a potential home buyer. It initiates an arrangement where the broker agrees to show potential homes to the buyer in exchange for a commission payment. In this video, we'll cover what a buyer's agent is, exclusive agency versus non-exclusive agency, and details to include in a buyer agency agreement. First, let's review what a buyer's agent actually is. A buyer's agent is a real estate broker hired by a person looking to purchase a new home. They are responsible for researching and showing home listings to the buyer, and in return they receive a commission percentage of the overall sale of the house. They also lead the purchase negotiations on behalf of the buyer. If the house has its own listing agent, an agreement can be made between both agents to split the commission. Sometimes an agent represents both the buyer and the seller. This is called dual agency, and it may be illegal in some states. If the listing does not have an agent and the seller refuses to pay the buyer's agent the commission out of the sale earnings, the buyer is responsible for paying the agent's commission out of pocket. Next, let's go over exclusive agency versus non-exclusive agency. An exclusive agency agreement establishes a relationship where the buyer agrees to work with only one broker on the search for a house. It offers protection to the agent that they will receive their commission no matter what property the buyer ends up purchasing during the agreement period. This agreement usually ensures that the buyer will get more dedicated attention from their agent. A non-exclusive agency agreement establishes that a buyer can work with more than one broker to hunt for a home. There is no guarantee for a broker to receive a commission. These agreements also give the agent less freedom to negotiate on behalf of the buyer. Finally, there are plenty of details to include in a buyer agency agreement. The details that should always be represented in this agreement are the legal names and addresses of both parties, a list of services the agent will provide, a list of the buyer's responsibilities, the agreement period, the compensation agreement, whether the agreement is exclusive or non-exclusive, and whether dual agency is permitted. If you're in need of a buyer agency agreement, we have state-specific ready-to-go templates available for you to download, all for free and with no membership or credit card required. Click this link right here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos by eForms, the world's largest database of free legal documents.